Denver Museum of Nature and Science with my viewers. And right now we're in the Space Odyssey, but right now we're in a different part of the Space Odyssey.
Red button.
This is a turtle shell, 65 to 45 million years old.
But if they hadn't met their destruction, our story never would have formed.
It was really only after you lose the dinosaurs
Mammal plate or something, whatever it's called, 65.36 million years old.
Has been one of the great challenges of modern paleontology.
We spent much of the last 35 years looking at rocks in the first million years.
Right here is the Mars rover. This thing was used to explore Mars. And it was launched in I think it was probably somewhere around 2003. And this is a video of the Mars rover. And it says I accidentally messed up. Sorry, it was somewhere on 1997. That is a NASA astronaut suit right over there. Come on.
Great footing.
Okay. NASA spacesuit. NASA spacesuit. Oh, never mind, that's interesting.
I guess actually you should ask right.
I know. Dad, don't screw it up.
What's up, bro?
Don't screw it up. Hey, save me. Save me. Okay.
Okay, I will call her back here. I'm gonna go stay on lunch.
These are recordings of planets. Right now I'm gonna try maps throughout history. Sorry. And
It's that's where you guys got to stay on the you're in line. Got it. Okay, I understand.
maps throughout history. Okay. There's the Hawaii volcano, Mauna Loa, and New York City in the United States. New York City in the United States. Dad, stop.
What's up, YouTube? Yo, it's Dad here.
Stop. Dad, stop. Because you're embarrassing me in front of my crew.
We're just gonna make it okay.
Yeah. Anywhere else we're gonna go? Oh, sorry, Mom. Sorry. How about we go somewhere else, Mom? Shall we? Okay.
Polar temperatures influence more parts of the Earth than you might think.
These are asteroids throughout space.
What's up, bro?
that. Okay.
Ice. Moving.
Where is?
Water exists as a liquid.
And the meteor that says number 6, that meteor was found in Canyon City, Colorado.
Right outside the room.
And that asteroid came from that broken roof over there. A meteor.
Colors in these infrared images represent
Okay, I'm gonna give you it. Okay. Where can we go? I guess I can say this way. Oh, I remember this place. I love this area so much. Because it has a bunch of, nice looking stars.
It kind of looks like we're in the solar system.
Yeah, kind of does.
Leslie, can you get him off the floor?
And now we're exiting the Space Odyssey exhibit and entering into a new exhibit. Oh, wait, nope. Oh, no.
Yeah. There's even so much tree
Let's have 'em. Yes.
Mom and Papa, how you going there?
Go on.
Where's your brother?
He says he gone through there. Sorry. Okay, now we're at the mining exhibit. Right now we're entering into the Hall of Gems and Minerals. I know, right? The Hall of Gems and Minerals. I know, right?
The magnificent bright red mineral specimen in this display is the largest and finest known crystal of rhodochrosite in the world. It appears in its natural condition, uncut, the way nature made it more than 30
I think
million
it's probably a silver ore rock. I think.
Its size and quality
Oh,
ranks
yeah, it's silver ore.
be found in only a few places. The almond is found here in Colorado in the Sweet Home Mine, August 21st, 1992.
Look at that, but look at that. These crystals look pretty, huh? And here, there's a bunch of other ores. Huh.
Can you say rhodochrosite?
Rhodochrosite is on the very down of the right.
It's so heavy?
Maybe this nice piece of quartz over here.
It's the tiniest camera I think I've ever seen. It's a GoPro.
Okay, and these are other quartz. Oh, the quartz right there, and
Gypsum.
and that is gypsum. Okay, add it. Okay, and these are elements that kind of look like that kind of looks like crystals.
You gotta say stuff like, that's my dad, guys.
And right there is gold. And what you see in the middle is copper. And I see, and the middle you see in the very middle is other gold. And these are carbonates. This kind of look like a lot of cool crystals. And these are crystals that were found in Mexico.
Crystallized gypsum.
Well, crystallized gypsum found in Mexico. And these are Haldes. Hey? Sorry, I cannot spell that.
Sound it out.
Yeah.
Sulfates.
Sulfates.
Turquoise, my fave. I want some else.
Hi, girl. Could you send this video on YouTube?
I will. Okay. Okay. And right here is what are these? I can't spell it.
Silicates?
These are silicates. These are silicates.
You doing wall push-ups, Gustavo?
Okay. And these are techosilicates. So. Oh, and look at this nice looking crystal over here. And these are geodes right over here. Geode.
Yeah, that one.
And if you look carefully, there's something weird at the very back of it. If you look carefully.
Yeah, I saw.
And these are crystalline quartz. Crystalline. And these are amethyst. I guess I could say amethyst geodes. I could say amethyst. And these are crystallized quartz. And this is topaz.
I think this one's a changing color. Yeah, it's not changing color.
And these are,
It's like lighter.
and right here what we're looking at is famous diamonds.
There's a lot of them.
And number 15 is the world's largest diamond that was ever found.
This one? I think these are the, you see this back one on the left, if you stand right here, you can see the green band thing. Isn't it cool?